Lesson 1. Adding and subtracting similar fractions. Steps to follow. 1. Add or subtract the numerators. 2. Copy the denominator. 3. Simplify or write the answer in lowest term if possible. So open your module on page 3. We are going to do examples of adding and subtracting similar fractions. Example number 1, letter A. Add 3/13 and 4/13. So the number sentence for that example is we have 3/13 plus 4/13 equals. To get the answer for that, you add the numerators 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. To get the denominator, you just copy the denominator 13. So that is now the answer in lowest term or simplest form. So let's go to letter B. So 5/9 and 2/9. The number sentence for that is we have 5/9 plus 2/9 equals. So you're going to add the numerators 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then to get the denominator of the answer, you copy the denominator 9. So that is now the answer. You cannot reduce this one to lowest term because the only common factor of 7 and 9 is 1. That is now the answer in lowest term. Example, we have number 2. What is the sum of 13/21 and 11/21? The number sentence for that is we have 13/21 plus 11/21 equals 13 plus 11. That is, we have 13 plus 11 equals 24. To get the denominator, you copy 21. So that is the answer. But that is not yet the answer in lowest term. You see the numerator. The numerator is 24. That is bigger than the denominator 21. So that means you can simplify that one into a mixed number. By dividing, we have 24 divided by 21 equals 1. That is the quotient. So 1 times 21, 21. So 24 minus 21, that is we have 3. So that is the remainder. That is the quotient. So to write that one into mixed number, the quotient, exact quotient, will be the whole number. And then, the numerator is the remainder. That is 3. And copy the denominator 21. Still, that is not yet the answer in lowest term. You see the fraction 3/21. Can you divide 21 by 3? Or we can divide 21 by 3. That is 7. So you divide 3 by 3. The answer is 1. 21 divided by 3. The answer is 7. So you copy 1. So that is now the answer in lowest term. Example number 3. Add 3/10 plus 5/10. So we have number 3. 3/10 plus 5 tenths equals, add the numerators, 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then, over, to get the denominator, you copy the same denominator, 10. So, that is now the answer. But you can reduce that one to lowest term because 8 and 10 have, we have the greatest common factor. So, that is 2 is the greatest common factor of 8 and 10. So, to get the answer in lowest term, you write the sign equal here. So, you divide this one by 2. So, the answer is we have 4. You divide this one by 2, the answer is 5. So, this is now the answer in lowest term. Turn your module on page we have 4. So, let us do example number 5. Letter A. 16 20/3 minus 8 20/3. So, we are now in subtraction. You see the denominators the same. So, to find the difference of this, you write the sign equal first. So, these are the numerators, 16 and 8. So, subtract 16 minus 8. So, the answer is equals 8. So, to get the denominator, you copy the denominator. We have 23. So, that is now the answer. You cannot reduce this one to lowest term because the only common factor of 8 and 23 is 1. So, this is now the answer in lowest term. Let's go to the next. Example number 5. Letter B. That is 14 29ths minus 8 29ths. So, equals, subtract the numerators 14 and 8. So, 14 minus 8 equals, we have 6. To get the denominator, you copy 29. So, we have 6 29ths is the answer. So, that is now the answer in lowest term. Steps to follow in adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Number 1. Arrange the mixed numbers vertically. Align the whole numbers and fractions. 2. Add the whole numbers. 3. Add the similar fractions. 4. Simplify or write the answer in lowest term if possible. So, examples of adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Go back to page we have 3 and see examples. Example number 4. Give the sum of 8 and 9/19 and 3 and 16/19. So, the number sentence for that is, we have example number 4, 8 and 9/19 plus, we have 3 and 16/19 equals. So, you can solve that one like this. So, 8 and 9/19 plus, align the whole number, we have 3 to the whole number 8, plus 3 and 16/19 plus line. So you add first the whole numbers. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. The next one, you add the numerators 9 and 16. So the answer is we have 25. And then the denominator, you copy 19 as is. So the answer now is 11 and 25 over 19. So you see the fraction, we have 25. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So you can change this one into mixed number by dividing the numerator. We have 25 divided by 19. So 25 divided by 19, the answer is 1. 1 times 19, the answer is 19. So subtract 25 minus 19. So the answer is we have 6. So 6 is the remainder. So to write that one into fraction, you write the sign equal here. You copy 11. And then plus 1 and 6/19 equals. So you add first the whole numbers. 11 plus 1 equals, that is 12. And then you write the fraction 6/19 as is. So the numerator is 6 and the denominator is 19. No greatest common factor aside from 1. So that is now the answer in lowest term. We can also solve in horizontal way. So you add first the whole numbers. We have 8 plus 3 equals 11. And then the next to add are the numerators. 9 plus 16 equals 25. And then, to get the denominator, you just copy 19 as is. So that is now 11 and 25 over 19. So 25, the numerator 25 is greater than the denominator 19. So same to this, we divide 25 by 19. So we have 1, we have 19, we have 6. So that is, we have the equivalent mixed number 1 and 6, 19. So that is equals to, you write that one, the equal sign, and then you rewrite 11, and then plus, we have 1 and 6/19 equals, you add first the whole numbers, 11 plus 1, that is we have 12. And then you copy the fraction 6/19 as is. So that is now 6 over 19. So that is the answer. Do they have the same answer? That is in, we have vertical and here in horizontal. So go back to page 4 and see example number 6. We are now in example number 6. Letter A. 9 and 11, 27 minus 3 and 8, 27 equals. So let us do first yan while we have horizontal. So we subtract first the whole numbers. 9 minus 3. The answer is 6. The next one, you write the line here. Subtract the numerators of the fractions. We have 11 minus 8 equals 3. And then, you copy the denominator as is. So, the denominator of the answer is 27. So, you see the answer or the fraction, 3 over 27. 27 can be divided exactly by 3. So, you can reduce that 1, 6, and 3, 27 to lowest term or simplest form. So, you write the sign equal. You divide this one by 3, and then you divide this one by 3, equal, line, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. And then, you write 6 here. So, that is now the answer. 6 and 1/9. Now, let us do it in vertical way. So, align, we have the mixed numbers. So, we have 9 is the whole number. And then, we have the fraction and 11/27 minus, align the whole numbers. We have 3 and 8/27 minus, we have line. Subtract first the whole numbers. 9 minus 3, the answer is we have 6. And then, the fractions. 11 minus 8, the answer is we have 3. Copy the denominator 27 as is. So, the answer is 6 and 3/27. So, you see the fraction. We have 3 over 27. You write the sign equal. You write the whole number 6. And then you divide. 27 divided by 3. The answer here is we have 9. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So, the answer is 6 and 1/9. So, the same. Also here, we have 6 and 1/9. We have 11 and 15 over 31 minus 6 and 18 over 31 equals. Look at this. So, let us see the fraction. So, this is the fraction in the minuend. So, the numerator is 15. 15, we cannot subtract 15 and 18. Cannot be. So, what you're going to do is, you change 11 into mixed number. So, to change that one into mixed number, you subtract 1 from this. So, 11 minus 1, that is equals to 10. So, 11 now is 10. We subtracted 1. So, yung 1 na sinubtract natin dito, we're going to make it as fraction that is equal to 1. So, the denominator here is 31. So, you write that 1 as numerator, and then the denominator is also 31. Remember, the fraction that is 31 over 31, that is equal to 1. So, that is now this. We rename this one as 31 over 31. So, 1 plus 10, that is 11. So, the next one, you're going to add the given fraction. That is 15 over 31. So, you write this one as 10. You add the numerators, 31 plus 15. The answer is we have 46. And copy the denominator, we have 31. So, 11 and 15, 31, is now 10 and 46 over 31. So let us do it first, and we have a horizontal way. So we rename this one 10 and 11 over 31 as 10 and 46 over 31 minus, we're going to subtract this, 6 and 18 over 31 equals, subtract first the whole numbers, 10 minus 6. The answer is we have 4. The next to subtract are the fractions. So 46 minus 18. So the answer is 46 minus 18. So we have 16, we have 8, we have 3, 20. And then you copy the denominator as is. That is 4 and 28 over 31. So can you reduce we cannot reduce this one to lowest term because 28 and 31, the only common factor is 1. So that is now the answer in lowest term. So let us do that one, and we have vertical way. So let us use this. So 11 and 15, 31 now is 10 and 46 over 31. So that is now equals to 10 and 46 over 31 minus, align the whole numbers, we have 6 and 18 over 31 minus, we have the line, subtract first the whole numbers, 10 minus 6 equals 4. The next one, the fractions, 46 minus 18, the answer is 28. So that is the numerator, and copy 31 as denominator. So this is now the answer. We have 4 and 28 over 31. So the same to this.